Blavatsky opens a whole new and legionary doorway to the universe never before read about or revealed to us as a species and acknowledgers of the universe's realm. For instance, what curves space? Isn't it the curvature of the space field that the motion and velocity of orbiting planetary bodies' speeds are calibrated by? How really old is the universe, and why is it expanding? All these questions and more will be answered in the future of this author's new upcoming books and literature. And finally, why so much is revealed to us about a universe that it all has such a slow cosmological speed limit as the speed of light, and why is the velocity of light made astronomers' time travel into the past or future ending, and or why doesn't it? A lot of contradiction has been placed on efficient about gravitation now that it has been. It can only be realized now that a repulsive push force acts as the primary force for gravitation in a closed body such as our own planet Earth that physically connects electromagnetism with the gravity force. And its principles, the advanced singularity, can define how they are bound by it. Inside of an expanding universe, without energy, matter is shapeless, and without refusion until its growing drive and energy caused it to collapse against its space field predecessor, infinite space. Matter had no place to go or expand to only the toll it engraved by its magnificent storm. In the final finale, the universe recoiled everything known to it into a single boiling, levitating body where all the loose ends of a new quality of mass and energy were created. The final results are what we observe today. Quantum physics is an advanced study about the universe. It's a research that entails the difference between chemistry science, quantum physics, and space travel that directs its virtue on the interaction described in the cause and effects momentum. Motion and force that explains space travel, not in comparison with how much energy is embedded in a single particle. That measures differently between the known elements, but an actual study that explains the course the universe has taken on its own in its very day advances, and a study that explained. In the cause and effect interaction of space, both stellar and interstellar space, and what those effects are in its activity that are included within a space journey through that space, and whether or not a journey through the cosmos at a velocity faster than the speed of light is possible. Most modern-time physicists today believe the speed of light is the fastest anyone or anything can travel in space. But in this book I explain the pros and cons about space travel, the speed of light, and why this accepted infringement. An infringement based on the force of planet gravity has little to do, if anything, to do with how fast a vehicle can actually travel through the cosmos.